Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good day everyone. My name is Ferry Yuda Pamungkas. You can call me Ferry. I'm from Indonesia. I was born the 3rd of October 1989. I'm married. I have twins baby. My graduation SMKN Negeri 1 Belaga in Banyuwangi. Then my last position I'm as a master in Sierra Leone. I'm joined in the Greek company and operation in the Sierra Leone, Africa to do birthing and unbirthing operation. But now I'm joined in Azimut Ship Management as a chief officer. The responsibility, the chief officer, the um, general responsibility chief officer, the safety officer, safety management, and like safety medical management. And my aspire here, uh, I hopefully I can to become master tag. Thank you for opportunity. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.